Hello, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to share a couple of recent projects that I was excited about. We just got this magazine rack hung today. It's about 38 inches wide and 12.5 inches tall. And I stained it with a dark walnut. And for this, I found this elastic cord at REI. You can buy it by the foot, and it worked perfect for this project. I just tied a couple of knots on this side. And then looking from this side, you can see there is a top bar, and then I cut on this bottom piece. I made it so I only had to do one piece of wood and not have to worry about cutting any more pieces. So it's really nice that we can just curate it with different magazines and books as we'd like. And as you may have heard in the background, we do have a new water feature. It has some LED lights on it, which you can find on eBay or Amazon. They're strip lights, and it's really fun because you can just use them. They're very flexible. You can set them to one color, or you can have them fading through at different speeds. It's fun. And then another functional piece that I just recently finished was this coat rack at the front door. I did another video on how I attached the triangular pieces, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it's working great. So another few projects on the list are some picture frames and probably another plant stand, like this one over here, which is kind of a mid-century modern. And then my husband added some extra support for this particular large plant. So tomorrow we will be putting up the Christmas tree. I hope if you celebrated Thanksgiving yesterday, you had a wonderful time. And thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Take care.